Let's bring on the final trade of the day. For that, we have Joel Hawthorne, the founder of the Morning Snapshot, with us now. Always good to have you here, Joel. What is your trade?
Thanks for having me, Angie. Today, I'm looking at Etsy, the stock symbol ETSY. This is a stock I'm watching really closely. After earnings, there was a bit of a pullback here about a week or so ago, and it's bounced off of just shy of I would say about a 153 level, and now rallying to the upside. I think there's an opportunity for this stock to get back above 180. Because of that, I'm actually looking at the 169 calls right now. I'm really paying close attention to, those 170 calls that I'm really looking out to right around May 28th. So looking to buy calls out until the end of the month, see if we can get right around 170 calls to see if they can go to the upside.
For people who might not understand how options work exactly, I would love if you could break that trade down for us, Joel.
Absolutely. Well, buying those calls, the 170s, and we're trading currently roughly right around 169 and change. I'm expecting those calls to increase in value, at least for what they pay for the calls. The offer for those calls right now are about $6. So I would need, if you would, Etsy by end of month to trade at least either implied volatility is going to kick in and my calls are going to increase in value because of demand, or those calls are going to be more valuable than when I paid the $6 on the offer. So if it's trading 169, if I'm paying if I'm buying the 170s, I would like to see the underlying trade at least above 176.
What do you think about Etsy overall? It has been one of those pandemic players.
This is a stock I think is a very stable stock, if you would, or at least one that has been weathering the storm fairly well here throughout this past year. You know, a lot of these stocks, if you would, have really been either extremely bullish on the pandemic rally, or we've seen some volatility there that's been really sensitive to news. This is one that has really been in a range, if you would. I would say the 52-week high is 251. I think this stock can approach there maybe sometime this year. Not sure exactly when, but I do think that the range of 251 to about 160-ish or so is where this stock has been over the calendar year. And I think we're going to maintain that kind of broad trading range.
Thank you for your trade of the day, Joel.
Thanks for having me, Angie.
Check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.